I, I give up. I give up making homemade chocolate brownies because there is not a better one out there than Costco's Ghirardelli brownies. These things are elite. They are very easy to make and they taste like you've been making them all day.
Costco sells a six-pack of these brownies for around $15. Every few months, they go on sale for around $10, and that's when I stock up. Now, let's do the recipe together to show you how easy it is. My 8-year-old son loves to make these, so he will show us the way. Once you gather all the ingredients and cooking utensils, it's time to make some magic. First, pour the powder mix into a bowl. Next, add 1/3 cup of water. Then add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. After you put in 1 egg, it's time to mix everything up. Before you put the brownies in the oven, make sure to grease the 8x8 pan so they will come out of the pan a little bit easier. And that's it. Wasn't that easy? All you have to do now is cook them for 45 minutes at 325 degrees. You will know when they are done when the brownies are set in the middle and they pull away from the edges. After letting the brownies cool down for about 10 minutes, these things are ready to eat. And my suggestion is to eat them when they are warm. They just melt in your mouth. It really doesn't get any better than Ghirardelli triple chocolate brownies from Costco.
One more thing. I've seen some recipes online where people add marshmallows, peanut butter chips, and nuts to this recipe. I haven't tried any of that yet, but it looks really yummy. I'm Michael. See you in Costco. And hey, if you like what you see on our channel, please give us a like or a follow.